How to verify yourself in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your profile or account verified. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the top, you can see a complete profile button. Simply tap on complete profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called verify my profile. Simply tap on verify my profile. So in order to do it, basically he must have a photo. So he must copy this pose and start taking a photo. So in my case, it's this pose. In your case, it might be different too. So simply tap on take my photo and automatically you can do the same pose and verify your account. So after doing that, you'll be able to use the app more efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.